This is the 2018 Hess truck. Looking forward to opening it. It's my son's truck. He says he wants to open it. Yeah, this is the top of it. The whole thing. RV with ATV and motorbike. Okay, that's the front. I have been buying Hess trucks for my son for the last 14 years. That's 2018. Again, you saw the side. And the other side is the same. It's supposed to simulate what it looks like in the box. So this is where you put the batteries in. I'm in New York City, so I don't know if anybody else has Hess stations. They're no longer in existence. I can't find one in the city anymore. I used to purchase them every December, November or December. But now I have to buy them online every year because they no longer exist. Gas stations in general are almost non-existent in the city. We're losing them one after another. We had a Hess station. If anybody knows New York City, Northern Boulevard and Steinway. That switched over. It's December of 2018. So that had switched over to another gas company called Speedy. I don't know if it's affiliated with Hess. And now it's completely closed. So I don't know if they're fixing it and fixing up the gas station, or actually just taking it down and building another building, because that's what we're getting in the city, is building after building after building. But we're losing all the stores and we're losing all the gas stations.
So this is...
Okay, my son's going to finish off the unboxing of the Hess truck. Go ahead, son.
This is my Hess truck, the 2018. I'm pretty sure this is...
It's in the back right here.
Is that, okay, yeah, 2018 Hess truck. This is the front of the box. This is the side of the box.
Yeah, I already showed all that. You could just do the... Yeah, you could just show the open.
Bottom.
Yeah, I showed it all in details, so you could kind of just open it up.
Alright. So this is what comes inside. Open it up.
So it looks the way it looks. Oh,
I put the back on. I like to open it from the back here, and then I hold the back.
And it looks the same way as it is in the box.
Yep. You pull it out. And then first...
Hold on. Let me just do a complete 360, 180 of the whole car.
And then
of the whole, what is this? The motorhome, right? An RV.
It's a motorhome.
We should get an RV like this.
Yeah. But then there'd be this isn't really a real motorhome because there's no place to sleep.
I know, we'll just kick out the cars and use it as a motorhome. We could keep the lights. As a matter of fact, let's get this one specifically built.
Look at that.
Maybe Hess will give us funds for advertising their brand. And that's the bottom.
That'd be pretty cool.
That's where the battery goes. We're gonna find out if it comes with battery. I think it does.
They always come with batteries. They always come with batteries.
Their biggest thing is batteries.
Come with.
Is always included, the batteries. So let's see if they continue their ways.
They do.
So go ahead. So open it up.
And before.
Oh, that's the manual.
That's the manual for the go-kart and for the motorcycle.
Maybe we'll laminate this to make sure it stays in pristine condition. There's nothing else in the box, right?
No,
nothing else. And that's all the wrapping. Okay. Hold on one second.
So, this is the ramp to open up the go-kart. And then, this is That's the ramp to open up the motorcycle. So we're gonna take out the motorcycle. Oh, the motorcycle's smaller than I thought it would be.
Is there anything? Oh, that's it. It's just the motorcycle. The other ramp, other side opens too?
Yeah, to reveal.
No, leave everything open. See the other side. Just curious.
There's nothing there. It's always on one side.
No, this side opens too, I think. It has a little button. See that? Oh, there it goes.
That's cool.
So it's a straight through. Let me see. So. Awesome. And then the inside there.
Yeah, so we're gonna take out the motorcycle.
Which one are you gonna do first? Oh, wait. Yeah, we took out the. What is it? Nice looking.
Oh, and the head turns to turn the motorcycle on and off to turn.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Oh, it shows the instructions. Yeah. Oh, you actually read those?
Well, no, I just happened to glance at it. Because there's no reading. It's just really pictures, and it's really simple.
I don't even look at the pictures, but I should. 2018. This is a nice looking guy.
And then I'm gonna pull this out, and then look at that. The lights turn on. And then you turn the head here when you want the lights or the front lights.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Down, lower. You're down here.
Oh.
Oh, that's nice.
The lights.
So bring it closer to the camera. Let me just see it. Oh, that's pretty cool. So the front turn on, the back turn on. That's nice. Oh, and wait. Cool. Look at that. Okay. Let's do the other one.
Yeah, you turn it off like this.
Wait, how do you turn it off and on?
Just move the head.
Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. So straight is on and off is tilted. Okay.
Alright guys, so motor home.
No, leave it there so people can continue to look at it. Okay.
That has chat. And
then that's the ATV?
Yeah, now we're gonna move on to the ATV now.
No, you can leave that in the background.
Whoops with the
so people can keep looking at it.
So you pull this, take it out, and then
wait, let's just take a quick look at it, a close up. This is the Hess ATV. Yeah, I like the motorcycle better.
I like these.
It's got rubber wheels in the back and oh yeah, rubber wheels in the front. Hold on, let me see.
These are rubber wheels.
Okay, go ahead, try it out. So how do you turn that on and off?
It's not like the motorcycle, so it's just a...
Oh, it's just a switch? So which lights turn on?
So the side Hess truck lights turn on. Even the lights.
Oh, that's pretty cool in the back. That's great.
Really like
and are both sides they turn on and off? Mm-hmm. So let me do a close up. So
and I think
look
the
at that.
Hess
It's pretty
logo
cool.
on the front turns on.
So the Hess glows. Oh, it does. Look at that. The top glows, the sides.
Cool.
I like it.
Oh, wow,
does this actually move by itself too? No. Nothing. Nah, it's just.
You gotta manually move it.
You just gotta manually.
Oh, wait, no.
Oh, so you pull back and forward and it goes. Okay.
I like it.
Well, if you don't like it, you give it back to me.
No, I never said that. I said I like it.
I like it too.
And then this.
Oh, that is so cool. Hold on one moment. Honey, can you turn off the light? Oh, that is so cool. Look at that. So everything, the Hess lights turns on. Hold on a second, let me see. The interior for the motorcycle has a light. ATV compartment has a light. The sides, all the red lights. Now, are there different options to have it like blink or anything, or they just turn on?
I guess this year they just had it turn on and off.
Because they usually have like sirens and stuff like that.
Well, that's more for, but the thing is that this is just a motorhome. This isn't like a race like car or like the.
But they need to get to the race in an emergency. That is really nice. That is so cool. Does that move when you pull it back or forward or anything? No, it's just regular.
Trucks never do that. It's always
so it's just free wheel.
Cause these are all the little guys that come with the Hess truck.
So
Then when you're done, you
put everything away.
Well,
Put it there so you can show everything that's. This is the Hess 2018 truck. Motorhome truck, ATV, motorcycle.
Well, more of a go-kart and motorcycle carrier than a motorhome.
Okay, so let's put it back together right now.
Turn this dude off.
Let's put it away for now.
Slide hand. This here's like a little wheel mold at the bottom so the motorcycle will kind of stay in place. And then,
You gotta turn him off.
This, so. Yeah, so kill the battery.
So they all came with batteries, pre-installed.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
The other ones came, you had to install them yourself.
No, all the other Hess.
No, they used to come in packages, the battery packages, and then we'd have to put it in ourselves.
Well, recently they've been started.
Yeah, they started to just
but
put
they at least give you batteries.
Yes, but it's because of the shipping.
Yeah.
They ship now. We don't have any Hess stations anymore in New York City. Oh, I don't know where there is one. The one on 50th Street and I think, what is that, 10th Avenue? That's been there for years. Maybe upstate, I'm not sure.
They say, I'm pretty sure it says New York State somewhere.
I don't know, I guess we'll do a Google Maps search.
I'm gonna find it. I'm almost there.
No, they're not gonna have it there.
I didn't find it.
Alright.
Well, wait, no, I did.
It has it?
Says New York, New York.
That's where it's made. That's probably the no, that's the corporation. Wait, what's the zip code on that? Oh, so they're in Manhattan.
Yeah.
That corporation is in Manhattan.
Yes. Open the box.
10036. That's I think that's Midtown somewhere. So anyway, this is the Hess 2018 truck ATV.
I've been collecting them since I was 4.
No, younger since you were. No, 4?
Yeah, 4.
Okay, so I stand corrected. So we only have 10. I thought we have 14. I thought I bought you one every year.
No, you started buying me them in 2008, but Hess trucks have been around since the 30s.
I know. I thought I bought them when you were 1 year old. So that means you only
Maybe you did, but we lost them or something. But I still have all of them. I know all of them are there in my closet. I gotta put them on a shelf to showcase them.
Okay. All right. Say goodbye. Thank you.
Bye.